Hi and welcome to Legal Manager, the legal document creation tool. In this video we're going to cover health and safety. As you can see, we're on the home screen here of Legal Manager. We can either navigate to the health and safety area by a couple of ways, either by the icon, this widget here in the legal topics area, which is really useful, or either in the documents drop down into the health and safety documents section, or if it's information you're looking to empower yourself more around what you should do with health and safety as a business, then click on the law guides and drill into health and safety from there. For the purpose of this, we're going to actually use just the widget here on the front screen. As we click into that, it takes us into this screen, which shows us all of the health and safety documents, policies, and notices that we can create within the Parameter Legal Manager. These can be filtered by country, should you need to do so. We can also see on the left-hand side here, if it's information, as I mentioned before, we can really upskill ourselves and empower ourselves as a business more to stay up to date and be conscious of all of the legislation, regulations we must comply by to protect our business when operating here in the UK. If you see on here, for instance, if we look at health and safety policy and we click on that drop down, it brings up various other subtitles of information that we can then drill into, and you can see that the depth of information in here. So let's go back to the health and safety tab. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to just show how to create one of the documents. So something that a lot of businesses are now having to support is home workers, and therefore home workers should have filled in a risk assessment. So if we click on the green icon, what that will do is take us into the document policy or notice creation tool that helps support create the document. There is a tutorial should you want to watch that, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we're just going to get started. You'll notice a progress bar at the top of the screen, which is out of 100%, and that will move obviously as we start filling the document in. You can also see in this case there's 5 bars with sort of titles that are various areas of this document that do need to be filled in. And with every area, it makes it very easy by either having drop downs or free text fields, or if it's addresses, postcode searches, to enable you to fill in that document extremely easy. If you are unsure about the information you're filling in, there is an explanation as well. The explanation's there on all of the boxes to just guide you even further in creating that document with ease. If we go in here and start filling in this document, you can see as we're filling the document in, it starts populating where that information is on the screen as well. And as we go through the document, you'll notice the progress bar turns green for a completed section and red for a non-completed or incompleted section. At any time we can drill back to that by either clicking on that section or using the back icon at the bottom of the screen. Once we've done that, we're able then just to quickly go in and fill in that document and create all the information that we missed previously. Once we've done that, it then turns green. If you do get distracted or disturbed in the middle of creating a document, or you just need to stop, at any point you can just save the document by clicking on the save button at the top of the screen. And then at any time come back to that document, as it will be stored within the document management part of the solution. As you can see in here, we've got all the policies, documents and agreements that have been started, finished. And from here, we're able to either go back in and finish off that document, as this one's only at 50%, or if we have completed it or not completed and we'd like to duplicate it at that point, we can go in and create another copy of that document and then not have to amend all the information, but just some of it. Or if there's a document that you need to update on, let's say, a yearly basis, you can go in and create a reminder for yourself on that document. As you can see here, this reminder is set at the moment, defaulted for a year. So it's going to remind us on Wednesday the 13th of July, and you can put in the text to give yourself an indication of exactly what it is that you need to do with that document. Set the reminder, and you'll notice that an alarm clock icon appears. If you hover over that, it'll actually tell you when the reminder's been set for, but you will get a reminder in a year's time to finish, complete, or update that document, whatever it is that you need to do. If you do need to bespoke the document even further, you're able to download the document as a Word document or as a PDF, bespoke that document, but my advice would be you have the Legal Manager Plus version that contains support via phone and via document review within the parameters of the solution you're looking at, to actually get that document reviewed and had a second look at once you've changed maybe some of the terms or added extra terms into it to make sure that it's legally binding and has as much strength as a contract to protect your business as needs be. So that's it for the health and safety. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next.